We're going to be restoring these subispeed lights for my homie's STI. It got really yellow really fast. I could polish it, but it's just going to eventually happen again. So might as well clear it. We got some Eastwood 2K clear. Some of the best clear. I've used it in many applications. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna get the grit of sandpaper right now. So what you want to do is start with 800 dry, and then move up to 15 wet, 2000 wet, and finish it off with 3000 wet. So far, sanding it down. Make sure you get every single spot. Prep is everything. Sanding it down with the 800 right now. Dry sand, not wet. So I sanded it for a while. It's looking like this. This is how your 800 is gonna look. And I barely hit it with the 15. But you can see the difference in the grain and grit. But you basically want to sand off all of the old clear coat that's on there as much as you can. Watch your edges. You don't want to sand down no edges up. You should be fine. And then you're gonna want to wet sand with 1500 all around. Wet sanding is gonna be less abrasive, so you're gonna get more even lines. Because you want to make the grit, not the grit, but make the line smaller. This is after wet sanding it with 2000. I will be hitting it with the final grit, which would be the 3000 grit. And this is gonna be after you sand it, wet sand it with the 3000 grit, the final stage. There's still gonna be some scratches, but with the clear, you should get them out. You could go up 5000, but I didn't really have the sandpaper. I'm just doing what I had already here at the shop. But yeah, that's the 3000 one. So one finish after the 3000 should look like this, kind of like see-through, but you should still see some lines. This is where like 4000 or 5000 will come up, but I'm not comfortable spraying 2K on 5000, even though it should be fine. But this is the looks of them right now. Looking pretty good so far. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow, because it's literally 2 a.m. and I'm dirty, as you can see, literally all on me, clear coat from sanding, but we'll get her done. I'll see you tomorrow when I'm clear coat. I'll be using this Eastwood 2K for them. Don't mind this, I was soaking it. I like to soak every one of my cans in a little bit of warm water. I'm gonna activate it. This is a 2-part system, so it has like usually a hardener and then you're clear. So what you'll do is you'll activate it. This cap will be at the top. You'll just activate it, shake it up, and then spray whatever you're spraying. These last about a day and a half, no more than a day. You want to be spraying whatever you're spraying within a couple hours of you activating it. I'm gonna have them set up. I will open the garage. I don't mind spraying on the outside. It's DIY, so I don't really care. Oh. I'll be spraying the first coat. With the first coat, I like to go light, so it kind of gives to grab on. Get the pen out quick. So how I'll do it, something real light. The other side.
We'll let that sit for a minute. About 10 minutes or so to 15, depending on your weather and humidity. So now, I'm gonna be hitting it with a spring thick coat. This one you're gonna want to be way thicker. Okay, then we're gonna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes as well. We'll get back. What I'll be doing is I'll be spraying this bottom portion. For this bottom portion, it's not really too visible. I'll go one thicker coat. So it's even. That's done. I'll be flipping this back down. Spraying this one. I'm going to go pretty heavy on the last one. This is what we have going after the final spray. This is like 10 minutes after, so it still has to fully cure. But seems like we did a great job with all the grits we used in the clear coat. You can even finish this off with a nice buff and polish after. But I don't think it will be necessary from how we did. But there you go, the subispeed lights. So this is how we're looking about an hour and 20 minutes later, and we're good. Small defects, but for DIY and for doing it outside, came out nice.